Okay, so this is the review of the bike holder. This one I got it through Amazon. The name or the code is HINO076. It says that it's universal and that is flexible and high end. It comes in the little box, 6 bike holder for mobile phones, 4.5 to 6 inches. On one side, and the back side says bike holder for mobile phones, the same size. Universal to be applied on bicycle, motorcycle, pram, and crutch, etc. And it has some pictures in there for that. So we're gonna open it. This one is the number 9 bike mount updated black. I hope it's in focus. Okay, I hope it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. There you go. Oops. It's a lifetime warranty. I hope it is a lifetime warranty. Man, I don't know if this camera is focusing the right way. Well, this one says lifetime. Let's see if I can put it on the front so you guys can read it, see it. There you go, right there. That's how it comes. So now we're gonna focus this. There you go. All right. So it says lifetime warranty. Let me see here. Register now to unlock your product lifetime warranty. Here's how you can email them or untitle your email warranty. Free trial, exclusive coupons, and giveaway. Once registered, you have the priority to get more surprises. Okay, that's the benefit. Thank you. If you have any issues, please contact us. The company is Bovon, which spells IBOVON. That's the company for this. That's all it has. Okay, it's just this thing. The rubber feels very strong. A little light on the side and the corners because that's where the phone is gonna go. I don't even know if it fits the phone though. I might be too short on it. Yeah, I don't know. A little bit skeptical about it. We'll see. Supposed to hold. Let me see. Tight, so it doesn't fall out of the bike, obviously, right? Oh, there you go. It does fit. Okay, so I got an LG phone. I was trying to get the camera, which I did. So you can see the camera right there on top. I was trying to get the camera on top so I can take stream live some videos while riding my bike. So that works perfect. Yep. So you can see my phone right there. Okay. Sorry if you see a little dirty. There you go. Some kind. Okay. So there you go. So it does work. So this is an LG. Let me get you the model, exact model of my phone. So the phone I'm holding right now, which is not a new phone by the way, it's an old phone. But this will work on your LG K20 Plus. It's a LG K20 Plus. So that will work on your phone, okay? It will fit your phone. It fits pretty nicely. Yep, it's one piece. So it's good. So I'll try it on my bicycle tomorrow. We'll take a video and then probably take a picture in the bike too. put it on this video too, added. So yeah, so you can watch my videos, unboxing videos for bike products and other stuff, and you can just go into LetsrollQ, LetsrollQ, like the letter Q, all together. LetsrollQ. I'm in YouTube. I'll be putting some videos in Twitch too pretty soon. That's why I'm trying to work on this stuff, getting some accessories. This is my face. Yeah, there you go. This is my face, so you can recognize me. I forgot to do that. So I'll place that in this one in YouTube, so you guys can like, share, subscribe, and follow my Twitch account. They all have the same name, LetsrollQ. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.